Screen printing is a wonderful art form on its own. AM offers two types of screen printers. You've got the 4-stage as well as the 6-stage. What's the difference? Well, there isn't much of a difference. The difference is the 4-stage allows you to do 4 colors and the 6-stage allows you to do 6. And that's it. When it comes to the assembly of the screen printers, there's a step-by-step instructional video on the sorted.co.za channel. But of course it is specific to the 4-stage screen press, and the 6-stage is simply just 2 extra steps. They are assembled in the same manner. And if you're into screen printing or would like to get into it, then there are quite a lot of things that come along with it that you cannot do without. For example, your water-based ink, your plastisol ink, your silicone squeegee, and there are so many other accessories that you can find on AM's website, or you can just call our sales team for any other inquiries. Okay, so now let's go look at the 6-stage screen print press from AM in action.